Hi everyone. Previously we said that Python is a interpreted high-level programming language. So what is interpreted? So interpreted is nothing but the code executes line by line. Here we want to discuss about it. So what is interpreted? Here we discussed about line by line. Actually we write the code in Python. So it converted into Python interpreted start the code execution. Now it converted into source code to bytecode. What is the source code? Actually we write the code in English, but the Python interpreter converted into 0 and 1s. Then it converted into bytecode. Bytecode is converted into Python virtual machine. Then lastly the result is displayed. That is the Python interpreted. And also we said that Python is simple and easy to learn. Why simple and easy to learn? So why it is easy to learn? Easy to learn and simple to understand. Like what is this? Print hello world. Then get we output hello world. So it is like simple English. So we understand the simple English like this. Python is simple and easy to understand. So now we discuss about the Python applications and advantages. Actually the Python advantages and applications are when we write applications. So this is the advantages and applications of the Python. So applications are big domains are used by the Python. Firstly, web development. In web development using Python, and also in AML, artificial intelligence and machine learning uses Python. And in data science, game development, UI UX, these are the big domains actually ruled by the world. So these are used by the Python. And we start with advantages. Also, we continue with advantages. The advantages are it is simple to learn and easy to understand. And versatile. What is versatile? Versatile it is nothing but it is molded with web development, AML, data science, and game development, UX. And it is the one of the most beginner-friendly programming language. Then it is portable. We write the code in this file and we use it anywhere of the another OS, MacBook, anything. That is the advantages and applications of the Python.